Saker multifunctional stair tread gauge. So this is the box it comes in right here. Inside the box you get this foam, and this holds all of your track systems. You can see the track system here. You go really wide on here. I have some pretty wide steps, so I have 4 of them together, and I still have 2 extra ones here. So you can actually go really wide and really short. You can go up to about 8 inches short. It also comes with a bunch of attachments here. All right, and it comes with a nice carrying case to keep everything together. Now, I already put mine together. I've been playing with it. Pretty simple to put together. Looks good. Anodized aluminum. Oh, I don't know what that is. Anodized aluminum. Feels pretty sturdy. So, I think you guys know how to use these. But basically, you have 4 points of contact. So you have your side contact here, and this is supposed to make sure you get a perfect measurement right here. This slides, so I already have it tightened down. And this adjusts here, so no issue there. You basically put it into the corner like so, and then you tighten all these down. The other 2 points of contact are these little rakes that you have here. These are supposed to go against the nose. And once you have basically, I'll move you back. Once you have it all the way into the corners and against the wall, and you have these rakes against your nose. It's a little weird. I have this on rug. You wouldn't be doing this on rug, but I am going to be replacing this rug with some hardwood, so that's why I have this. You push this against there. Once you have everything down, you just tighten it all down. I will do this super exact. You tighten everything down because this all slides. Tighten down your rakes. You pull this off, bring it to whatever you're using to cover your steps, and you mark it out and cut it. On this, you have your measurements here, so it's really nice and clear. And like I said, it's anodized red aluminum. It looks really nice. It's just a stair tread tool, but yeah, it looks really good. The feeling, everything feels pretty stable. The knobs are very big, so you can get on there. They're not these little tiny knobs that hurt your hand, and you have your little wing nuts here. Yeah, so super stable, and I like that it comes in a carrying case. This might not be something you use every day unless maybe you're a stair guy, but it's nice that it's a carrying case because once you're done with it, you put it away and then you pull it out, everything should be there. So really nice product here. I like these guys, big fan of Saker.